Market microstructure on Solana is rapidly improving and not enough people are talking about it. I'm a DeFi nerd, and so I'm here to tell you a little bit about it. This is a really big deal. Microstructure, if you've heard market microstructure, if you've heard that phrase, what it refers to is the actual kind of plumbing of how trades and transactions go through. Are they fast? Are they slow? Is there slippage? Is there not slippage? Those kinds of things are what we refer to when we talk about market microstructure. And bad market microstructure repels liquidity and keeps people on centralized exchanges or in TradFi. Good market microstructure will bring on liquidity, bring on more users, and so on, because it's a better trading environment or better environment to execute it. Proprietary market makers, also called Dark AMMs by people who don't like them, or Ghost AMMs, are the fundamental reason why. It's a major trend that's been happening. The major difference is it's passive liquidity versus active liquidity. You can go to Meteora right now, deposit Sol and USDC, pick your price range, and then go get a burger or whatever else it is. It's passive. The protocol kind of handles it for you. These PropAMMs are using their own money and actively managing that liquidity. They don't even have a front end. You couldn't even go to use ZeroFi if you wanted to, like to deposit liquidity. Only those guys get to do it. And then they use aggregators like Jupiter and others in order to actually get flows. The big thing, the reason that these are making such a big difference, AMMs are fundamentally a bit inefficient. They can have a lot of slippage if there's a lot of price movement, and you can get MEV'd because it's all very public when the pool is moving. These PropAMMs help reduce that MEV and improve the efficiency, right? So you actually get less slippage and so on. This is just one example of how big of a trend this is right now. We're again just looking at Jupiter volume, just because this was the dashboard that I could find, but nearly half of the volume that's going through here is happening through these PropAMMs. That is crazy. That's like, we're talking hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars every week. I mean, definitely billions of dollars every week that's happening. The takeaway though, is that this is great for Solana. It's a trickier question for other individual players in Solana, but it's extremely bullish in my opinion, because it makes our execution on par with centralized exchanges. And it's necessary if we ever want to move a lot of that liquidity off of traditional markets and onto crypto rails and onto Solana specifically. I just was doing this. You can see I have insufficient USDC because I don't have $1 million, but you could do $1 million trade for Sol with 3 bips of slippage. That's incredible. Like 2 years ago, this would have been impossible. And it's because of teams like HumidiFi and others that are actually doing these.